friends, today we are going to discuss about human anatomy and physiology chapter urinary system. Mainly MCQ type of questions we are discussing. In last video we are discussing about cardiovascular system. First we go through detail about our notes. What are the important question comes in the previous year? First discuss. Then we will go through detail about the MCQ type questions. So first discuss about the urinary system. Urinary system is also called excretory system. What is the excretion? That means definition of the process of excretion. The term X means out, cret means flow, outflow. Then what are the unwanted material excreted out from our body or removal from the waste material, that is ammonia, urea, uric acid, ammonia, urea, uric acid. These are the excretion process. These are the unwanted material through the excretion process excreted out from our body. Then what are the major organ? 2 kidney, 2 ureter, 1 urinary bladder, 1 urethra. Question comes, what are the major organs involved in urinary system? Kidney extended from T12 to 12th thoracic to 3rd lumbar, and size shape 3, 6, 12, 3 centimeter thick, 6 centimeter width, 12 centimeter long, 150 gram weight. Then radius bean shape. It is a retroperitoneal organ. Question comes, what is the retroperitoneal organ? That is kidney. Outer covering को कौन कहा जाए? renal fascia. Then renal cortex काकू कहा जाए? renal pyramid काकू कहा जाए? calyces कौन? Structural and functional unit of kidney, that is nephron, or microscopical unit, that is called nephron. Cortical nephron, juxtamedullary nephron. এই টাইপର क्वेश्चन ଆସିଥାଏ. glomerulus କାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ? Bowman's capsule, renal tubule, proximal convoluted tubule रे କୋଉ ଗୁଡାକ मैंने रीअब्जर्व होता है? सोडियम, वाटर, बाइकार्बोनेट, क्लोराइड मैंने यूजफुल मटेरियल गुड़ाक अगेन रीअब्जर्व इन प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोलेटेड लाइक सोडियम की बाइकार्बोनेट की क्लोराइड की ग्लूकोज ये गुड़ाक सब रीअब्जर्व होता है. लूप ऑफ हेनली रे कौन होता है? मेनली कौन रीअब्जर्प्शन होता है? कौनटा रीअब्जर्प्शन हो पारे नहीं? डिस्टल कन्वोलेटेड ट्यूबुल कोटा माल्फिजियन बॉडी कलेक्टिंग डाकू टर्मिनल पार्ट ऑफ द रेनल ट्यूबुल मध्य कह जाई थाए. ये सब क्वेश्चन आसी थाए. बहुत क्वेश्चन विल गो थ्रू डिटेल नोट रे. इट इज लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन इज फॉर लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन पर्पज दिस नोट इज गुड. बट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जेतले आमे डिस्कशन करिबा विल डिस्कस लॉट मोर लाइक डिजॉर्डर गुडा को नाही एठी. डिजीज डिजॉर्डर ये सब रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन गुडा को प्रेशर. तो यही सब क्वेश्चन गुड़ाक डिस्कस करने पड़ो. 125 ml पर मिनिट पर डे, 180 लीटर पर डे. प्रेशर कोफिशिएंट प्रेशर और फिल्ट्रेशन प्रेशर एगुड़ाक सब. बाय यूरेटर लेंथ 25 to 30 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, 6 सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर. देन पेरिस्टालसिस मोमेंट और यूरिनरी ब्लैडर और ट्राइगोन जो फॉर्मेशन होता है. ड्रीटोसल मसल जो हेल्प करता है. इनवॉलुंटरी स्पिंक्चर, वॉलुंटरी स्पिंक्चर. देन लेंथ ऑफ द फीमेल यूरेथ्रा, लेंथ ऑफ द मेल यूरेथ्रा 20 सेंटीमीटर मेल, 4 सेंटीमीटर फीमेल. देन यूरिन कंपोजिशन ऑफ यूरिन, म्यूक्चुरेशन को रिसेप्टर था, स्ट्रेच रिसेप्टर, एक्सटर्नल स्पिंक्चर. ये सब जिन गुड़ाक आमको मेनली डिस्कस करने पड़ो. मेनली क्वेश्चन आसे आउ या छड़ा भी आहरी बहुत क्वेश्चन आसे. विल गो थ्रू डिटेल ऑन दिस. So the kidney are located in the peritoneal, retroperitoneal organ मध्य कहा जाए और retroperitoneal space. The entrance in the kidney is called hilum. जोटी ब्लड भेसल गुड़ाक, नर्व, आर्टेरी, वेन सब पशि थाए किडनी रे. जोटी पशि थाए बा बाहरी थाए ताको आमे एंट्रांस वे ऑफ किडनी, दैट इज हाइलम. Which structure is the first collect to the urine, that is calyx. Each minor calyx receive urine from the renal papilla. Then renal pyramid are located within the medulla. Then the striated appearance of the pyramid is caused by microtubules. Which of the basic functional unit of the kidney, that is nephron. The kidney secrete for the purpose of stimulating bone marrow activity, that is erythropoietin. The kidney secretes, which is an enzyme hormone which raise blood pressure, that is renin. Kidney renin secretion करिथाए जले blood pressure टाको maintain करिया पाए. Which is the function of renal system, that is maintain the blood pH, regulate blood pressure, control the blood concentration. So answer is all of the above. How much the cardiac output passes through the kidney, that is 25%. Which blood vessel deliver blood to the cortex, that is interlobular artery. The renal corpuscle is comprised of a glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Renal corpuscle, Bowman's capsule और glomerulus को नेकी गठित. Then which section of the nephron allow the ascending limb of the loop of Henle, that is distal convoluted tubules. The last part of the nephron is the collecting duct. Which area actually secrete renin into the blood, that is juxtaglomerular cell. Which blood vessel convey the blood out of the nephron, that is interlobular vein. Which blood vessel surround the loop of Henle, that is vasa recta. Then which process is the most affected by blood pressure, that is glomerular filtration. Glomerular filtration is affected in blood pressure. Then which of the following are not found in the glomerular filtrate, that is protein. Which muscle metabolism waste product is eliminated by the kidney, that is creatinine. Which of these has the highest concentration in the urine, sodium. Urine रे sodium रो concentration टा अधिक थाए. Which ion is reabsorbed in exchange of sodium? Sodium exchange रे potassium is reabsorbed. What is the average glomerular filtration rate? 180 liter per day, 125 ml per minute. Which of the following is usually not found in the urine, that is glucose. How much urine is formed in 24 hours? 1.8 liter or 1.5 approximate value. So renin act to convert it into angiotensin 1 in the presence of angiotensinogen. The target of angiotensin 2 are the blood vessel and adrenal cortex. The tubular reabsorption occur in the nephron tubule into particularly capillaries or particular capillaries reabsorption. Most tubular reabsorption occur at the proximal convoluted tubule. What are most microvilli found? Proximal convoluted tubule. Which of the following occurred at the active transport reabsorption of amino acid? Is the active transport process. So which of these does not operate under a renal threshold mechanism, that is sodium. The action of aldosterone is to increase the sodium reabsorption. How much sodium is actively reabsorbed by the proximal segment of the nephron, that is 70%. Eating large amount of meat will increase the level of urea in the blood. Which of these under voluntary control, that is external sphincter. So human, the urinary system is also known as excretory system. The kidney of the human are placed against the backside of wall of the abdominal cavity. In human urinary system, the kidney are protected by the lower leaves or lower two leaves or floating ribs. The body fluid, the excess water causes dilute urine are also known as hypotonic. In human kidney, the single duct in which distal convoluted tubule open is called collecting duct. What is the length and diameter of the ureter? That is 25 centimeter and 4 millimeter. in case of male. And where is the urinary bladder lies? It is the pelvic cavity. What is the approximate length? The female urethra diameter, that is 4 centimeter length and 6 mm diameter. Urine pass through the pelvic of the kidney to ureter, to urinary bladder and urethra. The urinary bladder is composed of transitional epithelium. The last part of the nephron is collecting duct, which blood vessel convey the blood out of the nephron, that is interlobular vein. Which iron is reabsorbed in exchange of sodium, that is potassium. What is the average glomerular filtration rate? That is 180 liter per day. How much urine is formed in 24 hours? That is 1.8 liter or approximately 1.5 liter. Most tubular reabsorption occurs in the proximal convoluted tubule. Which of the following facilitate reabsorption of water by nephron? That is loop of Henle. That means nephron is a functional and structural unit of our kidney. So loop of nephron facilitate the reabsorption of the water. Primarily excretory organ are kidney, while accessory excretory organ are urinary bladder. False. Accessory organ, excretory organs are skin, lungs, liver. माने किए आउ हेल्प करुछि किडनी को अनवांटेड मटेरियल बाहर करबा पई. स्किन, लंग्स, लिवर. मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द लूप ऑफ हेनले इज कंजर्वेशन ऑफ यूरिन. What is the function of ADH? Increase the water absorption. Increase the water absorption. Glucose is mainly reabsorbed in loop of Henle. The part of the nephron impermeable to salt is descending limb of loop of Henle. Proximal convoluted tubule is lined with simple cuboidal epithelium. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule together are called Malpighian tubule. That is true. A Malpighian tubule is a type of excretory or osmoregulatory system. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule together are called Malpighian tubules. Yellow color of urine is due to urochrome. It is due to urochrome. Yellow color of urine is due to urochrome. It is linear tetrapylar compound. It is degradation. Liquid which collect in Bowman's capsule is plasma minus blood protein. Which of the following is not a part of renal pyramid? That is convoluted tubules. Maximum absorption of sodium and potassium occur in proximal convoluted tubule. In micturition, urethra relax. Vasopressin is also called antidiuretic hormone. Juxtaglomerular cell of renal cortex synthesize a hormone called renin. Glomerular filtration contain blood without blood cell and protein. Which one of the important constituent of renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system? That is juxtaglomerular cell. Hematuria means RBC in urine. Which of the following is not a nitrogenous waste? That is citrulline. Volume of urine is regulated by antidiuretic hormone and aldosterone. That is glycosuria, high amount of sugar in urine. Name the condition when the concentration of ketone increase in urine. That is diabetes mellitus. Hemodialysis is done when the person is suffering from uremia. The condition where the urea accumulate in blood is uremia. So this is all about your MCQ from urinary system. Thank you for watching this video.